Okay, here it is, the LG WaveForce washer and the LG TrueSteam dryer. And as you can see, it's a beautiful unit. Got some nice strip of stainless steel right across here, and diamond glass on the front here, diamond glass on the front here. Looks really nice, and got it in the gray. 10-year warranty according to this. Let's hope it works okay. TrueBalance, direct drive. I imagine those are good things. So take a look here. There's no actuator. This is all stainless steel, and then this inner part spins with relation to the outer drum. So we'll get some pictures of that in just a minute. And then the dryer. Now when I originally got it, the hinge was on this side, but that's kind of inconvenient. And I took apart the door and put the hinge over. It was a pretty easy thing to do there. Nice stainless steel drum here. Place here for the whatever. And since it's a steam, it has to have water, so you put like maybe filtered water, or just, they say normal water, but I would certainly use filtered water, and you put in there, and you can do steam now for, I know the waste of money that the steam would be. I don't think anybody's ever going to use that. Okay, now I got some clothes in here, and normally I would just dump this dishwashing detergent inside there, but then it has this little thing right here. So for liquid, we pour the liquid in, and then they say to remove that little tray for powder, and basically just gives you more room. So we'll close that up, and this other side says for softener, and you put the softener there. We'll close the tray up, close this thing up, then we turn it on. So we turn the power switch on there, turn it on, and it greets us with a little song, and we can choose. The first thing that comes up is normal cotton, which is probably what somebody uses 99% of the time. It gives you a preset program. It says warm wash cold, and you can change that by changing that. And then normal, heavy, whatever. We just got it for the soil level normal wash. And then spin speed high, and the rest of it's for the, if you're doing something special. So it claims to do 51 minutes. And then to start everything, you got like just like a VCR. You got the start, and it's also fast forward. Like if you're tired of doing something, you want to go to the rinse or the spin, or just quit early, you just press this thing too, and it'll advance. So you press the button, and you notice this little red light came on. That means the door is locked. Right now the door is locked. You can't pick up the door. And now let's watch it for the fun. Okay, see, oh, look at that. What's it doing? What the heck's it doing? It's calibrating. It's going around a little bit. Oh, it's going to go around the other way. It's doing its little dance. And somehow it can tell from this little dance how full everything is. So watch it. It's really cool to watch it do its little dance. And now it knows how much water I put in. Or look at that, spinning back and forth, spinning. Just doing a little bit. Okay, there it goes. Now it's doing the water here. Now it knows how to do water. Now it's so funny. Once it gets to the spin cycle, it does the same kind of little dance here. So anyway, here we go. This is the exciting part here, the wash. So I'm going to stop. Oh man, now she's spinning. See here, it says, I guess, what, there's 41 minutes left. Now it's slowing down from the spin. What's it going to do next? I don't know. What's it going to do? Well, now it's going to spin the other way. So I guess this is kind of a rinse, kind of where it spins around there, sprays some water on it. Now it's looking like it's okay. It sprayed more water there, so I guess it's still rinsing. Anyway, this is supposed to be a super efficient energy model. So those guys at LG are pretty smart, so they must know what they're doing. Okay, now it's still in the wash cycle, and it seems to be going back and forth between a few different things. Like there's one thing to where it keeps the drum steady and just rotates the inner agitator, and it throws them back one way and throws them back the other way. And it's like the clothes are washing along the outside. Now it has a thing to where it spins around and does the water, and then it's still got the soapy water. You can see it's really nice dirty water, so it got a lot of dirt out of the clothes, and it'll spin it around and then spray. So it's like it always has this little calibration thing, and I think that has to do with this thing they call the TrueBalance anti-vibration system. And I think what it's doing is it's calibrating how far off the load is, and somehow rebalancing everything to where it can spin around and it won't shake the washer all over. So now it's going back into the thing I was talking about, how it keeps the drum steady, and the agitator in the middle goes back and forth. Of course, it's doing it really easy now. Sometimes it'll do it like 1.5 spins, but it seems to have a very interesting little program. Like I say, we still have 30 minutes left. It started, I guess it said 51 minutes, so it's been doing this for a while. And like I say, it's still in the wash. So I'm going to see if I can catch it when it does something else. Okay, now it's really spinning, man. They got this thing up to full speed now. And it's still on the rinse. 21 minutes left, and that's what I call a rinse. Okay, well, we got 11 minutes to go in the spin cycle. And it's spinning pretty fast, although you notice it's fairly quiet. Not making a lot of noise, but it's really going. So, okay, here we are, 10 more minutes left. Okay, here we are, 1 minute left. It was spinning like crazy, and then in just a few seconds, it's done, and okay, now it's slowing down, getting slower. Almost all the way stopped. And now it says end. And it played the little victory song and the little red lights off, so it now can come out. And, oh man, stuff's really, I mean, you can feel some moisture in there, but it really did a good job of extracting out all the water. Now let's go try the dryer. Okay, I got all the clothes in here. I cleaned out the lint trap. We'll close her on up. And let's see here, we turn the on-off switch on. And then it's, then we're going to pick a thing. Like we can go around here to all these different things, and they pick various different sequences over here. So I just put on normal. And so it has normal, medium, and then I guess medium dry. Oh no, it's the beeper. Oh, okay, that was the beeper. That was what that one's for. So when you pick normal, dry, and the amount of heat. So now we'll start by pressing the pause start button. And there's nothing to see. There's no light in there. And I guess it's starting off. This is a gas dryer, by the way. Let me see if you can see the gas fitting. No, we can't see anything back there. But this is a gas dryer. Spent the extra $50 and got the gas, and just for the extra speed and everything else. So there's not too much I can say about the TrueSteam dryer, but it doesn't put on as nice a show as the WaveForce washer. But man, I really like these babies. They do a great job.